right. So moving on to the 38th question, it says integral of 10 into x power 9 plus 10 power x into log 10 base e times dx the whole divided by x power 10 plus 10 power x. So if you observe, this is a simple problem. 10 into x power 9 is the output of the derivative of x power 10. Similarly, 10 power x log 10 base e is the output of derivative of 10 power x. So just substitute the denominator as t. X power 10 plus 10 power x, if you take it as t, you will get 10 into x power 9 plus 10 power x into log 10 base e times dx by dt as 1. So this thing is the numerator. So numerator is equal to dt. So the numerator I'll replace it with dt and the denominator is t. So you will get the output as log of mod t plus c. This implies the answer is going to be log of mod of x power 10 plus 10 power x plus c. So let's see which option matches. Log of x power 10 plus 10. So option D is the correct answer. Okay.